Hey there, ever wonder how engineers managed to save the Leaning Tower of Pisa from toppling over? Let's dive into the fascinating story behind this engineering marvel. Alright, so, picture this. It's the 12th century and construction begins on what would become one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. But even back then, the tower started leaning due to uneven soil beneath its foundation. The north side had more sand, while the south side had more clay. Not a great combo if you want a stable tower. As the construction progressed, engineers noticed the tilt and tried to compensate by adjusting the height of the tower on each level. This led to the tower's signature curved structure. Fun fact, the belfry actually has 6 stairs on the south side and only 4 on the north. Fast forward to 1990, and the tilt had reached a whopping 5.5 degrees. There were serious fears that the tower could collapse, so it was closed to the public. A committee of experts was formed to figure out how to save it. First, they tried some temporary fixes. They put a concrete ring at the base and added 600 tons of lead counterweights on the north side. It helped a bit, but the problem wasn't solved. Then, they tried using ground anchors, but that backfired, and the tilt got worse. More lead weights were added, bringing the total to 950 tons. Talk about a heavy load. Next, they considered 2 permanent solutions that were ultimately rejected. Groundwater pumping was too unpredictable, and electroosmosis, which involved using electric currents to consolidate the clay, didn't work because of the soil's high conductivity. The real breakthrough came with a process called under-excavation. This involved carefully removing soil from beneath the north side of the tower. They tested this method first with a concrete footing, and after some initial hurdles, it proved to be the winning solution. Here's how it worked. Inclined drills bored underneath the tower, removing soil with a hollow stem auger. Guide tubes ensured precision. A trial run with 12 holes was successful, and from 2000 to 2001, they drilled a total of 41 holes, removing about 70 tons of soil. With the soil removed, the lead counterweights were taken away, a drainage system was installed, and the tower was attached to its walkway for extra support. The tilt was reduced by roughly 0.5 degrees, bringing it back to an inclination similar to the early 1800s, but here's the kicker, they didn't fully straighten the tower. Why? Because the lean is what makes it unique. The goal was to preserve its historical character while ensuring its stability. So there you have it. Engineers used a combination of historical knowledge, modern technology, and a bit of ingenuity to save the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Next time you see this iconic structure, you'll know just how much work went into keeping it standing tall, or should I say, leaning tall. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating engineering stories.